Hey, welcome back to our Quail Park tour, where we're going to tour the floor plan number 2, a little over 1,300 square feet, still 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, so it's a little bit bigger, and it has a 2-car garage, so let's go check it out. I'm Hopkins, and welcome to Living in Las Vegas. We go over everything about real estate and Las Vegas, so if that's of interest to you, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell, and check out some of our other videos. So like the other unit, it has a small little bathroom right off the front door, which is great, so that your guests can use the bathroom that doesn't go upstairs. All of these units have pantries, and this is a pretty good sized pantry. This has a single inset sink, and the base one comes with 2 separate ones. Comes with 3-inch crown molding, so that's standard too on the cabinets, which is really great. And it does come with oversized tile for every wet space in the house, so that's kind of nice too. Once again, I really like the backyards. This space feels very open. I like that the living area kind of bleeds into the kitchen for a smaller place. I mean, this is a 1,300 square foot home. Your main living area is down below, and then you do have it upstairs as your bedrooms. And this comes to the 2-car garages. And it does have the tankless water heater. Let's go check out upstairs. I like that when you walk upstairs, you still have a kind of a nice hallway. You got a big space here. They've set it up with a little desk here. You're gonna have 2 bedrooms over here, and your master bedroom's behind you, so it's a little bit of distance, which I like. It also has the wash and dryer upstairs, which is very nice. You don't have to lug up and down your laundry. It's got a little inset, little cabinet here. And the bedroom is decent sized. Big window. Then you have the shared bathroom for the kids. Still just a single sink, toilet, and a shower tub combo. Then we're walking over to the master. The master is definitely a little bigger than the previous. And it looks like the closet and the bathroom is together. I like that it's a dual sink. They have a single shower, has a decent walk-in closet, very similar to the other one. That's really kind of wraps up this house. It's a great little house. Once again, it's a starter home. This one's $20,000 over the other one. I imagine that this will stay the same. This home price point comes in at $389,900. So basically $390,000. If you'd like to find out more information about these townhouses, my information's below. I'd be happy to get you all the information you need to. Whether you're buying a new home, used home, I help people move here from all over the globe, and I absolutely love it.